YouTube, Veteran Dad Tactical, bringing you guys another ammo test today. Today I have some 223 Remington 77 grain jacketed hollow points. I'm going to shoot some targets for you guys today. This is what the bullets look like. Alright, the test weapon for today is the Smith & Wesson M&P Sport 2. I got some targets down range. I got a cantaloupe, and then I have a whole chicken. I'm gonna shoot the cantaloupe first to see what kind of fruit explosion we can get out of these rounds. They're traveling at about 1295 feet per second. And then I'm gonna shoot the whole chicken. Behind the whole chicken I have the water jugs. And behind the water jugs I have the pack of diapers to try to catch the rounds so we can see what it looks like fully expanded. So without further ado, range is hot. I'm gonna shoot the cantaloupe first. I think that was a good hit. Came down to take a look at the damage. We're going to start with the cantaloupe first. This is the entrance wound from the 77 grain 223 Remington. This is the exit wound. Okay. That's the exit wound. Entrance wound. Exit wound. This is the chicken right here. Almost got a dead center hit on the chicken. I did have the shooting C on it. And it came out the bottom of the chicken right here. Pretty nice wound track. Pretty nice cavity. It annihilated this water bottle. It completely annihilated the water bottle. And then it went through the diapers. It went straight through the back of the diapers right there into the notebook paper. So now we're going to split open the notebook paper right quick. Give me 1 second. And we're going to see. So this is the bullet track for that particular round. So we're going to start. Okay, here's the jacketed hollow point. It went through, I say that is about, it's almost half the pack. It's almost half the pack. This is the hollow. This is what it looks like. Okay. Overall, I feel like this was a good test. Remington 223, 77 grain, Sig Sauer hunting ammunition. Veteran Dad Tactical.